break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly.
Good morning. Hey y'all, it's day 2. We wake up, we're going to go get us some breakfast. And Nessa showed me this lady. I'll show y'all, she out here. Listen, y'all better be grateful for what you got. If you got a roof over your head, be grateful. Be grateful for that and just that. Okay, I can't even go no further. Because this could be you. And then I would have thought she was dead, but I see her bag. Like, this her safe space to sleep. And I know it's her safe space because, y'all see this? Because of that little tucked away spot over there. Let's see. Okay, this my breakfast. It look really COVID-like, don't it? I mean, the experience is just... Oh, wait, hold on. I got something else. Oh, wait, I even got a banana. I know y'all finna roast this banana. Go ahead. Go ahead. You got my permission. You got my permission, yes. And she was doing the squeeze test before she was giving me, pick me one. Really? Yes, girl. So she knew that was messed up. And then it's like, you knew that was messed up. You over there just to squeezing away. Why you put them back? Because she was squeezing, put it back. Okay, so... I don't know. I think I'm gonna do a mukbang, my little spread, y'all. Okay. See you later. Bye. Yeah. It's a birdie. Came to see us. Hi, little birdie. What kind of bird is this, y'all? It's actually kind of cute. Hi, little birdie. Little birdie. Hi, little birdie. Oh, this is the same girl that went to breakfast this morning. Is that her? Yes, it's her. We are on our way to the pool. I'm about to go take some photos for the gram. And of course, I'm not going to show you what I have on. Some of y'all probably already guessed, but that's okay. I'm not going to show you. You have to follow me on Instagram as she is blessed. And follow Nessa too. And tell her Nikki J's Life sent you. What's your Instagram? Nessa So Fly. Nessa So Fly. And y'all ain't gonna see her either. I'm trying not to get you in there. Y'all ain't gonna see her. You gotta go to her Instagram, go to my Instagram, and you can see her. Cause we about to take these swimsuit pictures, big girl style, okay? Period. Period, queen! You tell her! You tell her! Bye, y'all. Y'all. My ancestry results are in! I'm so excited. I'm recording. I'm recording. I'm not gonna release it in this vlog though. Okay. I'm not gonna release it in this vlog, but I am so stinking excited, and I'm sorry I'm not waiting on y'all. I'm finna look right now. I need to know what's in my blood. And I gotta FaceTime with my kids so they can see me. Okay, gotta go, y'all. But it's in. Wait for that video. Remember I told y'all to humble yourself? I'm thinking that this man is fishing. I feel so bad. He got his daughter right there. And it looks like he's waiting for fish or something. Like he's trying to get food for him and his daughter. Oh wow, poor baby. She just sitting here.
It's a 50-minute walk.
15.
50. To walk.
I ain't come here to exercise.
That's a whole motherfucking animal.
Girl. I hope he found a fish. I don't know if I would eat anything out of there, but I feel so bad for him. Humble yourself, people. Humble yourself. He caught something. I missed it. He sure did catch something. Is something in there? This camera a beast. What the? He sure did catch something. Got his little beer bottle. Now he got something to eat. They ready to go. This is so sad. Oh, and he taking care of his baby girl. Oh, I guess he said that's all we need. We got fish. That's all we need. Now we can go. That's so cute. They so cute. Them make me. We're in the Uber. We're about to go to Willie's and the beach and just walk around and enjoy the scenery because we haven't had a chance to do so. So we out here now. Hi, Nasa.
Hey.
Hey, she ready too.
I'm ready.
She ready. We're ready. So we about to get out here, get our exercise on. Look at the traffic though, y'all. Look at this. Everywhere out here. People packed up everywhere. You think Houston got traffic?
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high.
I'm outside in real life real life wearing a mask. It is just too many.
With no mask, and they don't care.
It's too many people out here for me. I'm actually ready to go off of this little strip. This personally is not for me. If you are a college student or if you are in your 20s, this might be popping off for you. This ain't it for me. I was actually enjoying myself doing the other stuff that we was doing, and we decided to come out here, and yeah, this ain't it. Not for me anyway. So me and Ness are sitting here trying to brainstorm on what's next and what we're gonna do. Because yeah, this is not the move.
Oh, I forget. I can't remember my mind. Sorry, stay tuned for exclusive interview.
YouTube, look, we keep it real around here. And I'm telling y'all straight up that he about to give me a copyright too. I gotta go. Yeah, bye, guys. He said he can't be in. If they smoke you. Ooh. Y'all see my nice school. I deserve this. It's my birthday. Girl, wait. It's my birthday. Who's gonna tell me it's not my birthday? This is so good. Oh my god, like it's probably loaded with carbs, but I don't even care. Wait a minute, no, where before you go, bro? Hold on. Dang, he done got lost in the sauce. Everybody is now here. We moved inside and they got music, so I'm just gonna let everybody say hi real quick and we gotta go. Nessa, y'all know Nessa. Say hi to Sherelle. Say hi to Queen and Nikki and Adia. Y'all know my sisters. Yeah, we gotta go. We're leaving now. we busting this joint. They basically let us inside, so we was able to really enjoy without all the shenanigans. But it's time to go back, and I gotta work. Oh girl, I got to be on Dolce and Gabbana and Balenciaga, Cartier.
Okay, Cartier.
Everybody shades in there.
The police is everywhere, okay? So they were ready to shut it down.
Okay. Ready. All times. I see him. Shit blocked off and everything. To all the men that's watching my channel, this is what you deal with when women aren't going to bed. 1 wig, 2 little wigs. 2 little wigs. We just throw them on the table. This is what we do, okay? Don't dare judge us, okay? Because we still popping out here in these streets, okay? Oh, y'all, as you can see that we made it in, because y'all see me done braided my hair. I almost forgot to come and close this vlog out. Whew. So I ended up having a good time because we was able to go inside where it was less coronavirus, and we was able to sit with my cousin and my sister. Oh, I just smeared that lipstick all on my face. We was able to sit with my sister and my cousins and stuff because they ended up walking down there. But I think this would be a nice place for like my daughter and her friends will have fun versus, you know, because I feel like it's more kids than older people. Vegas is more older people because older people gamble. But I think that this place is definitely a bunch of youngins. Yeah. I don't party with the youngest like that unless I'm like with my kids and celebrating something with them or something. And that is hardly ever, because I let them do them without me. Once they become adults, I'll be trying to be what they be, you know. But Janessa ass over there going to sleep on me at 9:30 p.m. y'all.
There is, y'all.
9:30 p.m. Y'all, I don't know what time I thought it was, but I'm not gonna be up too late because we supposed to be going somewhere in the morning. And I know that those people probably not gonna let me record. So I'm gonna take my phone and use it to record. I'm gonna sneak and record, cause you know why? Cause that's what vloggers do. You can't stop us. But it's like an erotic museum, so I'm gonna try to get a little bit of footage, not too much, cause I don't want YouTube playing with my coin and demonetizing my dang on video. They like to do that sometimes. So, this is why people who wear extensions don't hardly ever wear eyeshadow, because it's a lot of work cleaning your eyes and all that stuff. So I'm sitting here doing this with y'all. How do y'all like the vlog so far? This is day 2. We're gonna do day 3 tomorrow. Okay, that one pulled my lash with it. I ain't liking that shit. But I'm gonna have to finish this in the mirror because I'm using the viewfinder and that's not good enough. But look how much makeup came off. What this makeup like? I love these. They do a good job. But I'm gonna let you guys go because yeah, I gotta get to editing for you guys.
Yeah, I'm so sleepy, don't you, y'all? About me over here finna go to sleep.
She is not tired. She is not going to sleep. She's trying to be respectful to the sleepy people. I am not going to sleep, y'all.
Whispering.
I ain't sleepy. I'm about to edit. And get some work done. I gotta edit. And so I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and go. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next vlog. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, subscribe if you haven't already. Okay? And let's catch y'all in the next video tomorrow. Bye.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hand